What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and we're gonna 2008 Softtail Custom. Guys, this bike is gorgeous. I'm 99.9% sure it's the Custom. I love this color, guys. Look at the rear fender. It does have a couple little blemishes, you can't really tell. This color is absolutely gorgeous. It's got so much depth in the dark red. I love this color. Brand new back tire on it, guys. There are two flaws with this bike, and I'll point them out. I love the tan accent on the seat. This bike rides so good. I love riding this bike. If I needed a bike, I would keep it for myself. It does have a little bit of the discoloration on the pipes. It's got Vance & Hines, 96 cubic inch with a 6-speed. The chrome is in phenomenal shape, guys. Here's the first flaw. It's got a little blemish in the Harley logo there, and then it's got like a round, looks like it's a round, just the outline of something. You can kind of see it. Maybe you could buff it out. Got a little chip in the paint line there. Not a huge deal. Front fender's in phenomenal shape, like just absolutely phenomenal shape. I love this bike. The lowers are in great shape, honestly, for having 20,000 miles on them. All the chrome's in such good shape, guys. Man, rims, everything. It just looks so clean. Here's the other flaw. It does have a chip in the paint right here, right next to the tank bib. 21,478 miles on it. Listen to it fire up. Fires up right away. Guys, like I said, 2008 Harley Davidson Softtail Custom. This is the 96 cubic inch with the 6-speed. Has those two minor flaws, but guys, this bike is in phenomenal shape. Check the front tire. Front tire's has tons of tread, guys. This is such a nice bike. I love this bike, guys. I love the color scheme. I love the vintage Harley look of it. Let me know if it's something you're interested in, guys. These Softtails do not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.